damnation. For rulers are not a terror to good works, but to the evil. Put on the armor of light. Let us walk on a...
Stop. Can you wait? It's never that serious. Oh. Alright. It is 9:53. Tomorrow, Sunday, I haven't did much today. I very much relaxed. I got up at like 2 in the morning, which is crazy. I was up 2 in the morning. I listened to a word from the Bible, which is good for me. I broke out a little bit on my nose. Which is crazy. It was like dead skin. So I peeled it, and then now I ain't got no neosporin. I ain't got nothing. But let me fix fix homegirl, because you know what? I'm sorry, girl. I am so sorry I ain't got you out here looking crazy. We gotta keep you up whole, baby. Might need a little wash. I'll probably get her a wash tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to work. My daughter don't come back till tomorrow morning or afternoon, she said. I've been watching this show Spartacus. I guess I just got put on because it's on like the 4th season. I don't even know. Don't ask me. But please watch, because I'm watching it and I'm just like, what is going on? Like, you got sex, you got thieves, you got killing, you got betrayal, you got grind. You just got a whole bunch of grimy stuff going on. Ouch. And I'm like, who watches this? But I ain't gonna hold y'all. It caught my eye. Like, I've been watching it. It's very intriguing. Besides all the sexual deviant stuff, it's a lot. There's a lot of that in there. I mean, a lot. It's a whole bunch of that. I'm not gonna rub my face too bad, because it's all around my nose, yo. So annoying. But can't rub my face too much. But this is my Sunday care, okay? Sunday care is always best to rest, reflect, and get back on the ball, which will be back to work. But I'm going to. I need some water, like straight water. That's what I need. You know, let me take y'all along with me. As I got older, it's true when they say you need a cup of water. You need a cup of water by your bed when you wake up. And they're right. You need a cup of water by your bed at night. By your bed at night, because in the morning time, I don't know why we get so freaking thirsty. I done ran out of water. I don't know why I get so freaking thirsty, but I don't even know why. Like, now that I'm at a certain age, it's like they was telling the truth. Like, you need a cup of water by your bed, because if you don't, you're gonna be very parched in the morning. Hold on, put y'all right here. You're gonna be very parched in the morning, and that be happening to me, y'all. That be happening to me. And of course, I think I'm running out of water, because I got like the water thing. Okay, and make sure y'all got lemon too. Lemon's good for you. I think I'm gonna. That should be enough. Let me see. That's our water. Water gotta be the most, like, how you say it? Refreshing thing. I know you're looking at my eye like, I'm looking at my eye like, what's wrong with it? Oh, my lashes. Which, that's why I gotta take off and redo in the morning. New week, new fresh lashes, y'all. Remember that. Because I don't know what the heck I was doing. Like, why is my eyes looking at that? But I'm going to just take them off. And then in the morning, I'm going to redo them. But where is my... Hold on, I didn't get my thing. Alright, so yeah. This gets it off. So yeah, I'm over here watching it. And watching Spartacus and stuff. And nothing really, like, I thought it was not going to catch my eye. That's number one. That's what I thought. Well, I'm the fool for that one, because it definitely caught my eye. Hope I get it in my eye with this stuff, but it's supposed to take it off. It's like makeup. Let's see, it don't work. And then you can just put it on your face too. Let's see what lashes come off. Oh shit. It caught off, but I think I put too much. Because I can't see now. Damn it. Okay. I get my light together. Alright. It's coming off, y'all. It's coming off. Now, mind you, I know, like, they wasn't falling off, but I like redoing my lashes. You know. And, oh, God, where is make my eyes feel funny, but my coworker was like, he was like, why y'all put all that stuff on your eyes and stuff? I'm like, because we want to. It's like dressing up. It's part of dressing up. Well, for me, it's part of dressing up. Like, at home, you might see me with lashes. You might see me with my wig. You might not see me with my wig. That's just part of us being a woman. Now, mind you, men like it. They just, I guess they just like, why so much? But my lashes don't even be that long. Like they were at one point. But that's only because I ran out of clusters. And I needed to put my lashes on. But see, bare-faced bitches. Still a pretty bitch. Ain't never been ugly. I just like lashes. Who put me on lashes? Mind you, I ain't never wore lashes. Lashes have become my life. I've been wearing lashes for how long I've been wearing lashes? I think I just started really getting into like cluster, like because I was wearing strips at one point, and I didn't get into that until maybe like 2000 and trying to remember, like maybe 2015. I just got into lashes because my friend, she was doing makeup at one point. And I was like, she was like, you should try. I was like, no, I don't know, I don't think they gonna look good on me. Baby, when I tell you, you thought makeup was an enhancement, put lashes on. Don't even put makeup on. Don't even watch. You gonna be like, oh, what is the point of putting makeup on when my lashes do the whole entire thing? But I don't need both. I don't need it, but I want to do it. That's the whole entire thing, man. We want to do it. Not for you, not for somebody down the street, not for the next nigga, for us. Well, me personally, I do it for myself. Cause this hurt right here. I love my hair. Good look. My hair is straight, but I hate doing it every day. Why not just pop on a wig? So, men always got something to say. But why would we do this? Why would we do that? Cause we want to. And you know what else we gonna do? Everything that you think we not gonna do. All right. So lashes off, fresh face. You see me. You see me. It's time to go to bed. It is 10:04. Oh, can you see it? Because it's so bright. 10:04. Let's go finish watching Spartacus and fall asleep on it. That's basically what's going to happen with me. That's basically what's going to happen. So, I will see y'all. Oh, hold on a minute. Let me put the camera down here. Let's talk. I will see y'all mañana. Okay, guys? Ugh, tomorrow is another day. Peace.